Hi Minnesota homeowners, welcome back to the Roof Expert channel. If you're in the Minneapolis area, you might be facing a big decision, replacing your roof. It's a major investment, and we want to help you make the smartest choice for your home. Before you pick out your shingle type and color, you have a big choice. Do you hire a national roofing company or trust a local contractor? Let's break down the pros and cons of both so you can decide where your money goes. National companies are everywhere. Their trucks, their ads, their polished sales reps, you know the type. The big advantage? They have buying power, access to top materials, and often offer strong warranties. If something goes wrong, they usually have the resources to fix it. But here's the catch. The person who sells you the roof probably won't be the one installing it. National companies often hire local subcontractors, and you're paying extra for their overhead and marketing. Now let's talk about local roofers, the folks who live and work in your community. Their biggest strength is accountability. Their reputation is everything, and they know the local climate and codes. Their crews are part of your neighborhood. The real difference? Where your money goes. With a national company, profits leave your community. With a local roofer, your money stays here, supporting local jobs, businesses, and even youth sports. So, if pricing and quality are equal, choosing local just makes sense. You get personal service, a contractor who cares, and you help your own community thrive. Before you sign that contract, ask yourself, do you want your money building a corporate empire or building your neighborhood?
Local roofing contractors are your neighbors. They live and work in your community. Their reputation is built on trust, not advertising. You deal directly with the owner, who's invested in your satisfaction. Your money stays in the community, supporting local jobs and businesses. If there's a problem, you call the person who did the work, not a call center. Choosing local means investing in your home and your neighborhood. It's about real accountability and expertise. One roof at a time, they help build a stronger community. So, what's the verdict? National chains offer brand recognition, but often lack the personal touch and local expertise your home needs. Local contractors bring trust, accountability, and specialized knowledge of Minnesota's unique challenges. Always check for licensing, insurance, and references. Do your homework. A good local roofer is transparent and proud of their work. For Minnesota homeowners, a trusted local company is almost always the best choice. You get expertise, accountability, and help strengthen your community. Don't just hire a contractor, partner with a neighbor who cares about your home. We're the Twin Cities' only independent roofing consumer advocate, offering unbiased video blueprints and a vetted directory. Before you choose a roofing company in the Twin Cities area, check out our free education series at theroofexpertusa.com.
I'm the Roof Expert. Subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date roofing information in the Minneapolis